Yo, what is up YouTube? It's your boy Breezy Kicks, the Sneaker Fiend. Now today we're going over the Nike Dunk Low in the Brazil colorway. Now before we get into the sneaker, make sure if you are new to the channel, you subscribe. Hit that like button if you like the content. Follow me on Instagram at Breezy_Kicks23. Now I am doing a giveaway on this channel. I am giving away a Supreme Tupac skateboard deck. You guys can find the details on how to enter in that giveaway in my Jordan 4 metallic purple review. I will leave the link to that video in the description below, so make sure you guys check that out. But with that being said, let's get into the video. Nike Sportswear is set to release a brand new Nike Dunk Low that resembles their Brazil Dunk Low from the early 2000s. Dressed in a Varsity Maize, pine green, and white color scheme, this Nike Dunk Low features a yellow base with green overlays paired with the white laces and midsole atop a green rubber outsole. Look for this Nike Dunk Low SP Brazil to release on May 21st at select retailers and the Nike Sneakers app. The retail price tag is set at $100. Now I will be going over my resale predictions as well as places to cop this shoe. I will leave a full store list down in the description below. But before we do that, let's just go over this sneaker, starting off with the colorway. First off, it obviously represents Brazil. It's got the Brazil colors. The one nice thing about Dunks is the quality is usually always on point. That's one thing I really like about Dunks. Now the tongue is yellow. Up at the top of the tongue, you do have a white tag with the Nike logo in green. This does come with white laces. I do imagine it will come with some yellow or green laces. But honestly, I think this white is going to be the best option because it does match the midsole. Your lining and insole are green. On that insole, you do have a yellow Nike logo. Back of the heel section, you got a green patch with yellow embroidered Nike on the back. And your midsole is white. Then you got a solid green outsole. Not a whole lot to say about this shoe. It's pretty straightforward. It's Brazil colors, just green and yellow. It does have a little white on the midsole and the laces, but that is about it. Now the shoe is gonna sell out. Pretty much all Dunks and SB Dunks usually sell out. They just do really well. One cool thing about Dunks is they usually always have a dope theme behind them, and that's why I think Dunks do so well in the sneaker culture, is because they have a lot of meaning behind them, great quality and low price, so you really can't go wrong. Now as far as resale, on StockX, this shoe is currently going for $300 to $500. Now, I definitely think that price is going to drop after release date, but I do think there is value in this shoe. I can see this shoe sitting around $200 to $300 depending on the size. Definitely think if you want the highest price for resale, go for your lower sizes. A size 8 to size 9 should do really well as far as Dunks go. But yeah, definitely money to be made in all the sizes in my opinion. Let me know what you guys think. What are your resale predictions? Are you going to be going for this shoe? So yeah, let me know all the information down below. Again, if you guys want to enter in that Tupac Supreme skateboard deck giveaway, hit the link. I'll leave it up here somewhere, so click that, go check that video out and enter in that giveaway. With that being said, if you guys are new to the channel, make sure you subscribe, hit that like button if you like the content. Follow me on Instagram at Breezy_Kicks23. With that being said, it's your boy Breezy Kicks. We out.